In this video, I'm going to show you how to trade on NoOnes. Now, the first thing you have to do here inside your account's dashboard, you want to hover over the trade button up top, and then here you have three options. You could use P2P trading, you could go ahead and swap crypto, or do spot trading, okay, on the spot exchange. So, first thing, as I said, P2P, you can click on that. Over here, what you can basically do is choose to either buy or sell, choose what crypto you want to buy or sell over here, and then of course you'll be able to put in the amount in case you want to disclose that as well, and then the currency you want to basically get your results in. Then here you can use your payment methods, which you're going to use to either of course buy or sell, and then here you can just see the different offers. You can go ahead and review them, and if any of these look good, you could go ahead and click on buy or sell over here, and you can then basically start the trades on here directly on NoOnes. Okay, so of course you're going to have to put in your amounts and then review everything, and if everything looks good, you can then confirm and buy or confirm and sell and go through the process. Now of course that's the first way. The second one is to actually swap crypto, which isn't actually trading, but still you are actually trading one crypto into another. So here you can just select from which crypto, like for example from ETH, into which crypto you want to trade. So let's say of course I want to do an ETH to USDT, and here you'll just be able to put in how much you want to do, and then here how much you want to get. You can just click on the swap button, and if you have sufficient funds of this first crypto inside your wallet, you'll be able to of course start trade, and then you will be able to swap your crypto and trade it for a different one. Now, here you have the third option, which is spot. Here you can trade crypto on the spot exchange. You can click on that as well. And whenever you do this here, you'll be able to see, there we go, you'll be able to go ahead and trade spot in here as well whenever you have some balance on your account, which currently I do not, okay? So that's pretty much how you trade. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.